know you're going to find this hard to believe. Probably think I just forgot all about my huge YouTube audience, but we finally, I think, today can call this project complete. The gutter guys just finished putting the downspouts back on the house, and I'm going to just walk you around real quick and show you a few of the things we did. I will do a little bit more detailed video about what we replaced, but this is the look. We finally have like I said, all the carpentry, the roofing, and the gutters, I believe, and painting are finally done. So this is what looks like from the front, and we'll just do a quick walk around. I'll show you the blue that we chose is a little bit darker than the original blue, which I think adds a lot to the contrast. We used a Sherwin-Williams paints, New Coat Painting Systems did that. They just are an excellent partner, have been an excellent partner in this. Highly recommend talking to Jason Faulkner and the team at New Coat for your painting project or a restoration project like this. So there's how that blue looks with the bright white on it. You can also see some detail work we did with the dark red around some areas here, just as a splash of color. We also put it at the top of the columns on the porch. So it just gives it, it's leaning into the Victorian gingerbread detail a little bit, but not overdoing it. We didn't want a 14 color house. That'd be just terrible to maintain. So as we walk around, I'll try to not run into a tree, but again, you can see that detail work and that color. I just think it really, really pops. So around the back edge of the house here, I showed a little preview of this, but we're able to even restore the old dinner bell right there. And that was kind of a fun little side project I took on. Didn't take a lot of time, which meant probably why it was fun. Duck under another tree. We got a lot of trees. So here's the back of the house. I'll try to get a good view here and zoom out a little bit. But that's the back of the house, all bright and clean. How long it'll stay that way, I don't know. So our contractors, again, were Kingdom Roofing, handled the roof work and the guttering. That was, most of the roofing was done in 3 days. The guttering took a while just for staffing and parts. It just, we're in a brave new world where getting stuff when you need it and all that just is a challenge, but they stuck with us and got it done. In this corner, right up, see if I can point. Well, I can, that's my finger's giant. So right up here in this corner, those are brand new. Those corbels were made to replace the rotted out ones. Another cool little detail, if you look back here on the side of the house where the electric meter is, they took the effort to make that meter blend into the color of the house. And so it really does, even the gutter work, you can see it just kind of disappears on that white trim. But what a nice detail to make the power meter kind of disappear. It used to be an ugly gray and rust combination. It was just hideous. So here are the windows. There's one of the windows up there that I made to put in here. Another couple of corbels that were replaced. This is a fun detail with this red and white. The girls call it a Santa hat on the end of those. But that was original detail with the house, and it was kind of a faded out mauve color before. And so we wanted to punch it up a little bit with the bright red. So what we did not think we were doing, but we ended up doing, is creating kind of a patriotic look to the house, which is fine with me. I like that. But this ends up being the red, white, and blue house. And there's, again, some more details for you. This part of this was new. This end board with the red with the curly Q on it is new. So some of that was redone. So that's the gist. We'll go back around the house to the front. But that's kind of the bulk of the work we did. There's the front porch. That was redone. We finished the porch. KLW Enterprises, Kurt and Carlene Whitman helped us immensely with that, and just a really amazing job. That is all composite. It's called AZEK, so it's all PVC material and fiberglass columns. They'll last far longer than the house ever will. So that was a big investment we made about 6 years ago. That's really paid dividends because we can really enjoy our front porch now. But that's the walk around. We can celebrate being finally done. I'll back up here so you can kind of get a look at the whole house. Sorry for the bumping. But that's the look. Thanks for hanging with me. I will do another video. I want to try to get another video posted for how we made the molding. That was kind of an interesting process. And I'm planning to do another video to just show you maybe stills of the sides of the house and what parts we replaced. So how much wood went into this house to replace it. But it's a blessing and a privilege to be able to take care of this old girl. And thank you for your interest in watching as we've kind of gone through this process that started May the 22nd. So here on, today is October the 12th. We can finally say we can put a pin in it. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and click and share the channel with others that might be interested in home renovation. Thank you.